Mountaintop's been out here working on electrical, putting in electrical sockets, plugs. They've also been putting in some recessed lighting in the places where it's supposed to be. Ceiling fans. More electrical switches. Outlets for fire detection. Outlets for washer and dryer. They've gotten most of the upstairs done. I just have one question, if maybe there should be a plug-in over here somewhere in case somebody wants to upgrade to a bidet seat top or bidet toilet. But they've been making progress on that pretty good.